Today, we're really shortcutting your look at the source material on cybersecurity market shifts. AI. Well, it's not just helping anymore, is it?
No, not at all. It's fundamentally rewriting attack and defense. It's become the core engine, really. We're calling it the AI arms race.
An arms race. And if you need a starting point for how serious this is, just look at social engineering.
Exactly. AI has basically industrialized it. The research is showing, well, a pretty shocking 12,265% jump in generative AI phishing attacks just in the past year.
Wow. 12,265%. So let's unpack that because, it means the old advice like checking emails for bad grammar.
Yeah, that's completely out the window.
Right. AI can write perfect emails now, context-aware, totally plausible stuff. The human firewall idea is crumbling.
It really is. And the threats moved way beyond just text. We're seeing ultra-realistic voice phishing, and deepfake video calls, too.
That sound almost impossible to spot.
Almost impossible. And we're seeing the impact in the real world already. It's not just theoretical.
You mean like that huge loss, the $25.6 million one in Hong Kong, where the employee got tricked by a deepfake video call?
Precisely that case. They thought they were talking to high-ranking execs. And there was another one in Singapore. Nearly $500,000 lost there, too. Same method. Fraudulent video conference.
So the attackers are using fake authority, fake social proof, things that are really hard for people to question.
Exactly. And because you just can't reliably see the fake anymore, the defense has to change fundamentally. It's less about spotting fakes now.
Okay, so if you can't spot the fake, what do? Shift to what? Because adding lots of checks just slows everything down, doesn't it?
It does add friction, yeah, no doubt. But it seems to be the only real path forward. You have to put strict out-of-band verification processes in place.
Out-of-band?
Using a completely separate communication channel. Like getting a request via email, then verifying it with a phone call to a known number or an internal messaging app. It's about leveraging process over human perception, making the person enforce the protocol, not be the detector.
Right. Process over perception. Okay, so if the defense is about careful process, the offense is all about speed.
Pure speed. We're definitely entering an age of autonomous conflict. Look at the DARPA AICC contest.
The AI versus AI cyber challenge.
Yeah. AI systems found 18 zero days, brand new vulnerabilities, and created patches or exploits for them super fast, like in compressed time frames.
18 unknown vulnerabilities found almost instantly.
Yeah.
That creates a kind of hyperspeed attack cycle.
It absolutely does. Vulnerabilities get found and exploited almost immediately. So your traditional patching schedule waiting weeks or months.
It's just way too slow. It's passive defense in a super active war.
Totally inadequate. Which is why the defensive line is shifting.
Shifting where? Patching that fast is impossible.
It's shifting towards the agent-based SOC, the Security Operations Center run by AI agent. You see companies like Microsoft with Security Copilot and Sentinel, or CrowdStrike with AgentWorks. They're building these central AI platforms.
So the competition moves from the endpoint device to this central AI brain.
Kind of, yeah. Security analysts become more like AI commanders, directing fleets of these automated agents.
Interesting. And I also saw AI is moving earlier in the process too, right, into development. The shift left idea.
Oh yeah, definitely. AI tools right inside the developers' IDEs, their coding environments, tools like Aikido Security or GitHub Copilot security features.
And they're actually fixing code in real time.
They are. And reducing the time it takes to fix security bugs by like up to 92% in some cases. It's a massive change on the development side too.
So putting this all together, AI isn't getting rid of security pros, but the job itself is changing dramatically.
Absolutely. You're not just processing tickets manually anymore. The role becomes more about designing the automation, coordinating the AI, being an AI coordinator.
So less reaction, more design and orchestration. That's a big skill shift.
It's huge. The market's really consolidating around these AI native platforms that can actually perform reasoning at scale, not just, collect data.
So the big takeaway here is it's algorithm versus algorithm now.
That's the core of it. Success isn't about finding one silver bullet solution. It's about constant, rapid adaptation.
And that leads to a final, maybe slightly worrying thought. If your defensive AI is your key asset,
then it becomes the #1 target for attackers.
Exactly. So the next big skill is
being able to red team your own AI. Testing your defenses against things like prompt injection or data poisoning, making sure your shield doesn't accidentally become your biggest weakness.
Red teaming your own AI. Okay, that's definitely something for you to think about. Making sure your protector doesn't turn against you.